Are you worried about your liver health? Fatty liver, liver inflammation, or just constant fatigue weighing you down? Well, what if I told you that something as simple as aloe vera juice could be your liver's best friend? Stick around because in this video, we're diving into how this humble green plant might just save your dying liver, naturally, gently, and powerfully. Let's start with the basics. What does your liver actually do? Your liver is like the body's master filter. Here's what it does. It processes nutrients, breaks down fats, detoxifies harmful chemicals, produces bile to aid digestion, stores essential vitamins and minerals. Now imagine what happens when this vital organ becomes overburdened, or worse, starts dying. Yes, we're talking about conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, alcoholic liver disease, hepatitis, cirrhosis. Many of these issues start silently, but over time you might notice chronic fatigue, yellowing of the skin, jaundice, abdominal pain, nausea, brain fog. Here's the good news. Nature has already provided a powerful remedy, and it's growing in your backyard or sitting on the shelf of your local store. Aloe vera juice. Here's how aloe vera juice works to support and potentially revive your liver. Number 1. Detoxification. Aloe vera acts as a gentle, natural detoxifier. It helps eliminate toxins from your liver and bloodstream, reducing the burden on your liver. Think of it like giving your liver a deep spring cleaning, flushing out the built-up waste so it can function freely again. 2. Anti-inflammatory power. Inflammation is a big issue in most liver diseases. Aloe vera contains compounds like bradykinase, salicylic acid, and beta-sitosterol that reduce inflammation, allowing liver tissue to heal. 3. Antioxidant protection. The liver is constantly under attack from oxidative stress. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants, especially vitamins C and E, that protect liver cells from damage and help them regenerate. 4. Stimulates bile production. Your liver produces bile to digest fats. If bile flow is sluggish, fat accumulates in the liver. Aloe vera juice stimulates the production of bile, aiding digestion and reducing fat buildup in the liver, especially important for those with fatty liver. Number 5. Improves blood circulation. Poor circulation can hinder liver performance. Aloe vera boosts blood flow, ensuring that your liver gets a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. 6. Lowers liver enzymes. Studies have shown that aloe vera juice can lower elevated liver enzymes, a common marker of liver stress or damage. That's a huge win for anyone trying to reverse liver problems naturally. Here's how to use aloe vera juice for your liver. Number 1. Choose pure aloe vera juice. Look for organic, cold-pressed, and decolorized aloe vera juice. Avoid those with added sugars, preservatives, or artificial flavors. 2. Start slow. Begin with 1 to 2 tablespoons per day diluted in water. Over time, you can increase to 1/4 cup, about 60 milliliters per day, depending on your body's response. 3. Best time to take it. Morning on an empty stomach is ideal. You can also take it before meals to support digestion and bile flow. 4. Combine with a liver-friendly diet. Aloe vera is a helper, not a magic bullet. Eat plenty of greens, drink water, avoid alcohol, and limit fried or sugary foods. Who should avoid it? Avoid aloe vera juice if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, have kidney issues, are taking medications for blood sugar or electrolytes, have a history of electrolyte imbalances. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing liver conditions or are on medications. Want to make your own at home? It's easy. Here's a quick recipe. Cut the aloe leaf and drain the yellow latex. This part can be irritating. Scoop out the clear inner gel with a spoon. Blend the gel with a glass of water. Add lemon juice or honey for taste. Drink fresh, preferably in the morning. Done. You've just made a liver-loving health tonic in under 5 minutes. Your liver does so much for you, every single day. Isn't it time you gave it some love back? Aloe vera. Juice is not a miracle cure, but it's a powerful natural ally in your journey to better liver health. It's gentle, it's affordable, and it could be the one habit that makes all the difference. So why wait? Start today and give your liver the healing it's been begging for.